Welcome back to this episode where we deal with the rust on the inside and hopefully on the outside of the van, get the turbo fitted, and hopefully we have a sweet running van for the MOT.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're Becky and David, and these two are Elijah and Sunny. Together we make Sunny's Adventures. If you're new to our channel, we travel the UK and Europe in our A-class motorhome, sharing real family adventures and honest campsite reviews. If you love motorhome life, travel with kids and a bit of fun along the way, this is the channel for you.
Let's see if she runs. Hello little van. Hello. It's very snazzy down here, look. So she still needs the turbo sorting on her and MOT, but for now we'll just get it to our unit. She'll still smoke a lot as well. Get her to the unit and start working on the back here. We have power steering that works. Yay. That's good. Right, let's get to it. I've been to Halfords to get some goodies. Got a £5 off for their motoring club, whatever it is, so. Let's have a look, we got a bag full of goodies there. Got all my tools here, ready to go. Just thrown in the back here, look. Here's all the things. So we've got wire brushes, filler, cloths, brushes, rust converter, just loads of tools with no clue how to use them. I just want to go over stuff like this really, just to make sure I can try and neutralise it and make it as best possible. But first job is to get it all clean. So I'm just going to clean the surface down with a white spirit in here, just on a cloth. I know it doesn't need to be perfect, but it's better to be try and do it as best possible. That's the point. Mask, gloves. Oh, and goggles. COVID days.
If you're just tuning in, we're taking an auction van, turning it into a camper and driving it to the Nürburgring, doing a lap and coming back, all within 72 hours. Then we're going to raffle it off to raise £10,000 for Childline. Every penny goes to the charity. You can donate via the QR code on the screen or the link in the description. Want to be part of it? Leave a comment and get involved.
Right, that's her white spirited out. Give her a good clean inside. Look at her now. Much better. I just need to take these off. I didn't spot them, so we're going to get them off now. I've got this little tool off Amazon, I think it was, or eBay. It just churns away at pop rivets. It's so much easier. So it saved me a lot of time because it was just a pain in the arse last time trying to drill them out. Maybe that's just my skill set, who knows. So Glenn's just come over from S&R, just talking about what he's going to do. So he's just going to give it a real good clean on the outside, and then he's going to sort out the bottom for me. So I'll try and get as much footage as I can, like midway. Just to prove how dirty this thing is, Glenn's going to do the demo now on what this thing could possibly look like. You can see it's like a square of white. Can you believe the van's actually white? What a beaut. Yeah, hilarious. Yeah, look at that line. There's a big old square just there, you can see. Yeah, that's going to make a difference. Right, the next job is to try these out on the rust. So, I don't know if you've tried these before, but which one do you think is going to be better? This one or this one? That's good.
We're raising this money for Childline, part of the NSPCC, because the need is real. On average, a child contacts Childline every 45 seconds. Last year alone, they delivered over 160,000 counselling sessions to children struggling with mental health, abuse, family breakdowns and more. Since launching in 1986, they've provided over 6 million counselling sessions. That's why this matters. That's why we're pushing for £10,000.
Time to vacuum. Right, so the next job is, now I've ground down the rust that I can see, is to use, where's it gone? The rust converter, which I think turns it blue. I'm soon going to find out by general light. So I'm just going to use a little brush to do that and see what happens, and that will probably be it for today because I have to wait for that to dry before I can do everything else. So yeah, let's get to it.
If you want to be part of this journey, now's the time. We're planning to leave in early May for the Nürburgring challenge, and we'd love to take as many of you as long as possible, whether that's following the build, supporting the fundraiser or getting involved directly. Keep your eyes peeled as well, because once the camper is finished, I'll be launching the raffle. Tickets will be £10, and remember, every single penny goes to Childline. On that note, a huge shout out to the team at Myriad Quest, who have donated a Dometic skylight for the build. Thank you, that's a massive help. If you think you can add value to this build, let me know in the comments below. We're still on the lookout for dry robe style seat covers for the front seats, a swivel seat base for the passenger seat, and honestly, anything else you think we might need. Every little bit helps, and it all goes towards making the camper something special, all for Childline.
So I've treated her inside. She needs 30 minutes to wait, but for today that'll do. You can see, I'll show you in a second, but she's going blue inside where the rust stuff's working. That's all I can do really, and then we'll paint over what needs to be painted over, because most of this will be covered up by carpet and flooring anyway. So I know she's a tired, beaten up old girl, but there's still life in her, and we're going to show her some love, and then hopefully whoever wins at the raffle will also learn to love her as well. Just a quick reminder again on why we're doing this. We're raising £10,000 for Childline. They turned 40 this year. I've just turned 40 and so does Becky. They're there, a vital resource for children that may be suffering from abuse, maybe having issues at home, maybe being bullied. So it's a really good cause, and we're raising funds to make sure that those phone calls can be answered. big thank you to everyone that's donated so far. We're over £2,600 now, which is absolutely phenomenal. And a big thank you to everyone that's supporting this build. If you wait to the end, I'm going to list everyone that's supported so far. If you want to get involved, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. Please stay tuned to see what comes up next. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, press that subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get notified of our future content. In the next video, we'll be doing some more work on the bodywork, and we'll also have the turbo fitted, so it should be running sweet.
Before we wrap this one up, I just want to take a moment to say a huge thank you to everyone who has supported this project so far. To everyone that's donated, honestly, we're incredibly grateful. We've now passed the £2,000 mark, which is amazing, but we've still got a long way to hit our £10,000 target for Childline, so every bit of support really does matter. I also want to give some proper shout outs to the people and businesses who have stepped up to make this happen. First up, Fogstar Batteries. A massive thank you to the team for supporting the build and providing a battery for the campervan. That's a huge help and makes a big difference to what we can achieve. Frankie Campered Up. Thank you for the team at Frankie Campered Up for supplying and installing the window and helping us out with the unit inside the camper. Completely free of charge. Absolute legends. Alex at Van Vibe. Thanks for all the help, advice and parts to keep the build cost effective but as decent as possible. Really appreciate it. A big shout out as well to Mike and the team at Caravan Radio. They've been backing us daily, sharing our story on the air, and if you're not already listening, head over to caravanradio.co.uk. It's a brilliant station for caravan and motorhome owners, and if you hear us on there, let us know in the comments below. Thanks also to Glenn and the team at S&R Motor Bodies in Cannock for helping us tackle the external bodywork and rust, much needed on this one. Freddie's Fast Fit, Lewis, Adam, Freddie, and the apprentice Connor. Thank you for getting involved and helping keep this thing rolling. Elliot and the team at Falcon Flooring for sorting the flooring inside the camper. Matt, Wayne, and the team at Icon Displays and Exhibitions for providing all the signage for the van free of charge. If you're a business and you'd like your logo on the camper while we take us to the Nürburgring and back, drop a comment below and I'll get in touch. And finally, Neil Smith and the team at AAS, Specialist Vehicle Electrical Contractors, for installing a tracker and an Alpine head unit for us, also free of charge. Just to recap on why we're doing this. We're building this camper to raise £10,000 for Childline, who support children and young people when they need someone to talk to the most. Once the camper is finished, we'll take it on a 72-hour challenge to the Nürburgring and back, then raffle it off, with every penny going to Childline. If you'd like to support us, you can donate via the QR code on the screen or the link in the description. Thanks again for watching, thank you for the support so far, and in part 3, we finally get our hands properly dirty.